Hi guys, for my improvement video today, I will be showing you my weekly agenda that I have created through Teams. Creating a structured agenda has helped me boost my productivity and has helped me manage my time. With that being said, we are currently looking at my agenda this week. As you can see, I have everything labeled and organized to what makes sense to me. I even have a couple of personal things, which is nice. Like, I have a couple returns on Saturday, I have a painting day. Each task tab has the options to assign its due dates, its progress, its priority, any notes, and what I like the most. Each checklist that has been assigned has the option to get checked off as you're progressing. So let me show you guys. So let's say we're done with wall type 1, curtain wall, bifold hanger. So we're completed with this assignment. And so it basically just tucks away in this arrow now. And same thing with the others. So if we just check it off, it goes away, check off, goes away. And what I also really like is these little urgent exclamation marks, which is nice. It really, helps you stay on it. So thank you guys for listening, and I hope you guys find this beneficial. Okay, bye.